from powering heavy machinery to keeping hospitals running. Air compressors are the heartbeat of countless industries. Let's take a look. In manufacturing, air compressors drive robotic arms and keep production lines moving fast and efficient. In healthcare, it powers ventilators, surgical tools, and dental equipment, ensuring safe, precise patient care. In construction, compressed air fuels jackhammers and drills, making tough jobs easier and faster. Automotive production use air-powered tools for painting and assembly. Less effort, more power, keeping vehicles on the road. Even food and beverage relies on air compressors. From packaging your favorite snacks to bottling sodas, compressed air ensures hygiene and efficiency. Compressed air is everywhere. It's silent, powerful, and essential for industries worldwide. Master power, turning the invisible force of air into unstoppable industrial power.